If you're anything like me and you can find yourself struggling with that to-do list midweek, then this may be the video for you. I hope in some way it helps to motivate or calm you and just see that, you know what, your house is very normal and chaos in the middle of the week is quite frankly happening to us all. If you're new here, hi, I'm Eve. Thank you for clicking on today's video, and if you're not, welcome back and thank you for joining us for another video today. I strongly believe in a little midweek refresh, and it solves a multitude of problems. Doing a little midweek refresh is basically me trying to avoid spending my whole weekend doing even more cleaning and tidying. I am a clean person, but not necessarily always tidy. If anything, I'm like a little Tasmanian devil and I leave everything behind me. It's something I constantly try to work on and fail at, as you will see in some of these clips coming up today. And do you want to know a little secret? This is in fact the first time I am cleaning those shutters, and let me tell you, the side that faces the window was so dirty, but absolutely nothing that the Method multi-surface cleaner couldn't hold. It's funny, isn't it? Small jobs like that we pay no attention to day to day, yet make such a really big difference when you know it's clean yourself. It's not something I would normally do on a midweek refresh, don't get me wrong. It's actually something I would usually do on more of a deep clean, but the urge took me, and whilst that urge was there, I lapped it up. As always, going round, finishing up with the damp duster, then a quick hoover followed by a mop, and then the living room is done. Nothing sweeter than that sigh of relief when you walk into a room and peace has been restored. Please tell me I'm not the only one who feels that way.
Just where it was needed, cleaned it black as night, coincidentally justice, yeah. In the eye of time, nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.
Once I'd finished in the living room, I took my attention to the kitchen. Now, it wasn't too terrible in here, but it did need a little reset, and whilst I was wiping down the worktops, I spotted a tea stain. And one little hack that I do have for you is that getting some really hot soapy water and squeezing on a little bit of extra fairy washing up liquid directly on top of the stain works wonders for lifting it. You do have to put in quite a bit of elbow grease, I will not lie. It is a scrub-a-dub-dub, quite a lot, but it's worth it and it keeps your worktops in beautiful, pristine condition. Is it just me, or does anybody else struggle with the motivation to get moving in the week? Like, doing a midweek refresh is actually really hard. Or is it just me? Do I just need to get my life together a little bit more? I'd say I'm quite an organised person, and even though I'm organised, at the end of the day, when I get home, all I want to do is veg on the sofa, which isn't great for the house, isn't great for me, and most certainly isn't great for Nova, bless her. Speaking of which, that reminds me, I think I need to find a much better dog-friendly floor cleaning product. I felt like a corner was being turned when I started the utility room. because I technically only had one space left. Well, you could class it as 2, but in my head I class it as 1. Does anybody else do this, where they kid themselves with how long left they have for a task? So say like you've got half an hour left of cleaning and you break it down into 3 sets of 10 minutes or 2 sets of 15. Yeah, I'm pretty guilty of that, especially when I'm doing things like this, midweek. Oh, so after giving myself a little lint roll down, I cracked on with the hallway. There's something about the entryway to our homes, isn't there, that when it's not clear and tidy, as soon as you walk in, it kind of just sets the tone for your house. Or that's how I feel. And one big bugbear that I have is when the porch is just full of clutter, full of mud and stones, and then it all drags back through into the house. Don't get me wrong, I'm very aware things could be worse, but it's these small little frustrations that I like to try and squeeze out so that it just doesn't end up getting a bit too much. Clearing the mental clutter, as I like to call it. We're all friends around here, so I will happily be honest with you yet again. And cleaning the windows in the porch isn't something I would regularly do as a quick midweek refresh. However, I do often forget to even clean these when I'm doing a big deep clean. So whilst I remembered and I had products in hand, I decided to give them a quick wipe down. They're not that big, so it really doesn't take all that long, and it just helps freshen that space up. One thing I didn't do and really should have done was wipe down the door, because again, the entryway to your home, and if it smells nice, it's just that real lovely welcome back into the house. But alas, you live and you learn. Then it was back to a little bit more lint rolling, because nothing but a lint roller beats working up the dirt and hairs off of these black doormats. Lastly, I ended this clean with a lovely hot chocolate. Nothing beats it. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!